Welcome back to Tour the World. Hey everyone! In our recent videos, we explored the stunning cities of Campione d'Italia and Cocchio in northern Italy. Campione d'Italia, nestled near Lake Lugano, offered breathtaking scenery you won't want to miss. So far, we've visited 9 countries: Finland, Sweden, Estonia, Poland, Iceland, Switzerland, Sharjah, Turkey, and Italy. We've created short documentaries with stunning 4K drone footage. If you missed any, check out our YouTube channel. Today, we're starting our journey from Naples, a great historic city in southwest of Italy. So buckle up and let's go. We're starting our journey from Naples, a great historic city in southwest Italy. Naples, with its population of over 3 million, is a mix of old and new. It's famous for its many churches with big domes, like the Naples Cathedral, showcasing rich history and stunning art. You'll also find old-fashioned houses with charming balconies and rustic designs that transport you back in time. But Naples isn't just about history. The city buzzes with busy traffic and lively streets. Showcasing its importance as one of Italy's oldest cities with significant historical sites nearby, such as the ancient ruins of Pompeii and the Grand Royal Palace. Naples is a living museum, full of stories and charm. The economy of Naples is diverse, thriving on tourism, commerce, and the maritime industry. Millions of tourists visit annually, drawn by its historic sites, vibrant culture, and delicious food, boosting the local economy and keeping the city bustling with activity. During our exploration, we encountered the delightful Fontanella Acqua Potabile fountains in Naples, offering free, clean water and enhancing the city's charm with their historic and artistic designs. These fountains are perfect spots for tourists to enjoy a refreshing break while exploring Naples' vibrant streets and historical sites. We also visited the Monumento ad Armando Diaz in Naples, a significant tribute to General Armando Diaz, a key figure in Italy's victory during World War I. Located in Piazza della Vittoria, this impressive monument features a grand statue surrounded by intricate carvings and inscriptions honoring the sacrifices of Italian soldiers. It serves not only as a historical landmark, but also as a place of reflection for visitors and locals alike. Our journey then led us to Castel Sant'Elmo, an iconic fortress overlooking Naples. Built in the 14th century, it stands as a symbol of Naples' historical and cultural heritage, offering panoramic views of the cityscape and the Bay of Naples from its elevated position on Bomero Hill. Today, Castel Sant'Elmo continues to enchant visitors with its blend of history, architecture, and breathtaking vistas. Next, we explored Basilica dello Spirito Santo, a significant religious site known for its Baroque architecture and spiritual importance. Originally built in the 14th century and rebuilt in the 17th century, it features a stunning facade adorned with intricate details and statues, as well as beautiful frescoes that narrate biblical stories. The basilica draws both locals and tourists seeking solace and beauty amidst Naples' bustling streets. In Piazza Dante, we discovered St. Michele Arcangelo, a 17th century church renowned for its elegant Baroque facade and impressive dome honoring St. Michael the Archangel. Inside, visitors marvel at its beautiful frescoes, intricate marble altars, and ornate decorations that reflect Naples' rich artistic heritage. Nearby, Convito Nazionale Vittorio Emanuele, established in 1862 near Piazza Dante. Continues to uphold its legacy as a prestigious educational institution named after King Vittorio Emanuele II. It has shaped generations of students with its rigorous academic standards and cultural contributions to Naples. Further exploring Naples, we encountered the statue of San Gaetano, dedicated to the saint known for his charitable works and devotion to the poor. Located in a bustling square, the statue portrays San Gaetano holding a cross, symbolizing Naples' deep religious heritage and commitment to compassion. The monument to Dante Alighieri in Piazza Dante pays homage to the renowned Italian poet and philosopher. Erected in the late 19th century, The statue captures Dante in a contemplative pose, highlighting his enduring influence on literature and culture in Naples and beyond. Traffic near Piazza Dante reflects Naples' vibrant urban atmosphere, where locals and tourists alike converge to explore shops, cafes, and historical landmarks, creating a lively and dynamic experience. Port Alba, renowned for its picturesque churches with grand domes, showcases Naples' rich religious heritage and artistic achievements. Each church in Port Alba tells a unique story, drawing visitors to admire their beauty and reflect on their spiritual significance amidst Naples' vibrant streets. Lastly, we explored the stunning coast of Naples, renowned for its beauty and vibrant atmosphere along the Tyrrhenian Sea. From picturesque beaches and dramatic cliffs to crystal-clear waters and charming coastal towns, the Naples coast offers a variety of activities, including boating, beach sports like football, and relaxing under the sun amidst small shops selling snacks and souvenirs. We witnessed several teenagers playing football and swimming in the sea. We hope you enjoyed this immersive journey through Naples. Stay tuned as we continue our adventures to Bari and other captivating cities like Pompeii, Lecce, and Otranto in Italy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.